Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your ONN streaming box remote into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And this is very simple to do. All you have to do is hold down the back button and the home button at the same time. And the little light on it is going to blink after about 5 seconds. So you can see it's blinking right there. It's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. Now also what you want to do is go to your ONN streaming box device and put that into the Bluetooth pairing mode as well. So if you look at the box right now, you're going to see a little light on the opposite side. There's going to be a button. Just hold that down for about 5 seconds. And a screen's going to pop up where it says pair your remote. And it tells you the instructions of how to connect and pair your remote. So let's put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode by holding down that button. So you got the back button and the home button. And it says pairing your remote, and it looks like I let go. And I'm still successful. Okay. So now you might have an update for your remote, so hold down the home button and it will be under this menu. Just simply go down to it and then select the middle indicator button and you can update your remote. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.